shrimp and tofu soup. Today we will make shrimp tofu soup. This dish consists of a savory broth, soft tofu, and shrimp enhanced with ingredients like mushrooms. It's a popular choice in Chinese cuisine for its delicate flavors and nutritional benefits. Ingredients include rehydrated shiitake mushrooms 250 gram, shrimp 200 gram, tofu 1 box, ham, vegetable oil, green onion pieces, cilantro, ginger slices, salt, pepper powder, sesame oil in appropriate amounts. Shiitake mushrooms nourish the liver and kidneys, strengthen the spleen, calm the mind, and enhance intelligence. Tomatoes aid in digestion, cool the blood, and stabilize the liver. Shrimp nourishes and strengthens the body. This soup is rich in protein and is beneficial for stimulating appetite, nourishing the liver and kidneys, and providing a source of calcium. To cook the shrimp tofu soup, clean the shiitake mushrooms, soak them, and then cut into small dices. Save the water used for soaking the mushrooms. Clean the shrimp. Blanch the tomatoes in boiling water to peel, then cut into small pieces. Cut the ham into diamond shapes. Wash and cut the tofu into small cubes. After cleaning the shrimp, season with a suitable amount of salt and pepper powder and mix well. Heat vegetable oil in a pot. Saute the green onion pieces and ginger slices until fragrant. Then remove the onion and ginger and discard them. Add the shiitake mushrooms and stir fry for 2 minutes. Stir fry the shrimp in the same way for 2 minutes. Pour the water used for soaking the mushrooms into the pot and bring to a boil. Then add the tofu cubes. After the water boils again, add the tomatoes, ham, and shrimp in turn. Once the water boils again, season with salt and remove from heat. Sprinkle with cilantro leaves and add sesame oil before serving.